sociologist. First we will see that what is the importance of the sociology in our life. Then we will see that what are the different role of the sociologist, different role of the sociologist as a teacher, as a consultant, and as a businessman. Initially, we will discuss that what is the sociology importance in our daily routine life. Studying sociology helps to develop our analytical thinking and capabilities. Sociologists analyze the quantitative and the qualitative data to determine effects of the phenomena on population. For example, sociologists may discover that country has an age gap due to uncontrolled epidemic that affects the country ability to compete globally. This analytical methods of thinking help those in business with the ability to research market data and eventually draw a conclusion from that data. In easy words, you have to keep in mind that everything starts from some sort of a idea, and then being a researcher you have to collect data and to prove that either your observation and the idea was right or not. Studying sociology can also help to understand the different motivations of different employees and applicants' demographics. You might notice a marked difference between how men and women approach their work or their applications, or other difference between employees population, like those born outside Pakistan versus those born here, or those with college degrees versus those without. Everything that you can observe with the help of your observation, with the help of your society knowledge, and this is all about the sociology, and this is the part of sociology contents, and this play a humongous role in our daily routine life, because this is the part of daily our daily activities, and we already observe so many things. You may observe some different person, you may observe some dressings, you may observe the actions of the person, and then you can predict predict the person's home, predict the person background, all these things related to our sociology. So understanding why different people, different employee or people, populations fit specific general behavior patterns that basically help create more inclusive workplace that serves all employees needs. So that was basically the role of sociology in everyday of our life. All these things basically starts from some kind of ideology, and then we do some observations and collect the data, and just to prove that either our observation was right or not.